Alright guys, I'm back with an update. I've got the capacitors replaced. Let's see here. Right here, there's a new capacitor. Here and there. They're a little bit high and they're taller than the others. See that? And I also got the one inside the power supply replaced. So we'll plug it in. Yeah, y'all are gonna get to see it boot up. First time in a long time because of the fact that it had that capacitor. Alright, let's move this. Hold it up like this. Alright. Power. It's always a good sound. This computer has a lot of stuff on it, so it's pretty slow. Boom. Loaded. This is running OS X Leopard on a Giga RAM on a 1.8 gigahertz processor. It's got a 500 gig drive too. So I'm going to push the power button on the inside of the machine, which is right there. Okay, that just went to go to standby. Wake it up. Alright. Well, that concludes this video. I'm going to go take this thing out to the shed and get the air compressor out and blow all the dust out. Till next time, Lovestruck 24/7, signing off.